Meaning of hand cream.
Hand cream.
Hand cream.
Hand cream.
Hand cream. Hand cream is a type of moisturizing skincare product specifically designed for the hands that helps to nourish and protect the skin. It is typically formulated with emollients, humectants, and occlusives that work together to hydrate and retain moisture, soothe dryness and irritation, and prevent cracking and chapping. Regular use of hand cream can improve the overall texture, tone, and elasticity of the hands, leaving them feeling soft, smooth, and youthful looking. Hand cream can come in various formulations, scents, and textures, making it an enjoyable and essential step in any daily skincare routine.